I think the main difference between college and university would be the hours that you're in and the hours that you have free, and the level of independent work that you're expected to do.
When you go to school, you're there in the morning at 8, 9, and you stay there all the day until 3 o'clock whenever you leave, where here you can sort of come in at 12 for a lecture and that could be all your day.
In university, you're much more in charge of how you spend your time and how you learn, basically.
So you have to do a lot of your own research, and you kind of are sort of left to your own devices a lot of the time. There is the help there.
You're going to have to go to many different sources for that help, whether that be reading articles.
The reading list at uni isn't to pass your exam, it's to know the subject. So initially when you look at it, it is quite daunting, but then you realise, then you develop the skills to filter out, what you want to learn and what's important for you.
There were quite a few differences when I came to university. For example, the style of teaching. You're not in a small class with between, dependent on what institution you went to, between 10 and 35. You're now in a lecture theatre being given information with as many as 490 people in there. So there's an awful difference in that sense.
Well, the main differences between studying at college is, at college the teachers know everything about you. They know your strengths and your weaknesses. I mean, you feel like you're doing a lot in terms of trying to improve. You feel like but really all you're doing is going to one resource, which is usually your college teacher, your former tutor. They know everything about you. They tell you where to improve. They help you in a very, they help you a lot. Whereas here, you do get help, but you're going to have to do a lot more of independent searching for that help.
There are peer support groups, there are pastoral programs, there are your personal tutors, there are people that work in accessibility, people in union that can help you. So I think that first you need to identify, so listen to the feedback that you get, identify the things that you have to improve, and then seek for help.
It's definitely using your friends, and sort of you need support because it is quite a big difference.
Students who are in the same situation as you but might have strengths that you don't have. But it means that you get that sense of pride when you get the right kind of grade, like you're like, yeah, I did that. So yeah, there is a bit of a difference between that, but yeah.